ശ്രീ ഗുരുഭ്യോ നമഃ. ഹരി ഓം. ഓം ഗണാനാം ത്വാ ഗണപതിഗും ഹവാമഹേ കവിം കവീനാം ഉപമശ്രവസ്തമം ജ്യേഷ്ഠരാജം ബ്രഹ്മണാം ബ്രഹ്മണസ്പത ആനശൃണ്വന്നോതിഭിശ്രീദസാദനം. ഓം ശ്രീ മഹാഗണപതയേ നമഃ. ഓം നമഃ ശിവായ ഗുരവേ സച്ചിദാനന്ദമൂർത്തയേ നിഷ്പ്രപഞ്ചായ ശാന്തായ നിരാലംബായ തേജസേ. ഓം യസ്യാത്മഭൂതസ്യ ഗുരുപ്രസാദാത് അഹം വിമുക്തോസ്മി സംസാരബന്ധാത് സർവോപദിഷ്ടു ശിവാനന്ദമൂർത്തേഃ. മൃദ്വംഗ്രിയുഗ്മം പ്രണതോസ്മി നിത്യം ദയാസിന്ധും ദീനബന്ധും ശാസ്ത്രാർത്ഥബോധനപട്ടും മസ്കരീന്ദ്രവരം നൗമി ശ്രീചിദാനന്ദസദ്ഗുരും. ഓം പ്രാണിനാം ദുഃഖഹർത്താരൗ ജ്ഞാനദോ ഭുവനമുക്തയേ ശിവാനന്ദചിദാനന്ദോ ആശ്രയേ ഗുരുസത്തമോ. ഓം ശാന്താത്മാനം പ്രണതസുലഭം സിദ്ധവിദ്യാപ്രഭാവം ഭാസ്വദ്രൂപം സുഗുണനിലയം ദ്വസ്തകർമാദിവർഗം പ്രജ്ഞാവൃത്തം നിജസമദൃശം താരതം ത്യാഗിപദ്യം സാക്ഷാത് ഈശം മമ ഗുരുവരം ശിവാനന്ദം നതോസ്മി ശിവാനന്ദം നതോസ്മി. ഓം ഭദ്രം കർണേഭിഃ ശൃണുയാമദേവാഃ ഭദ്രം പശ്യേമാക്ഷഭിർയജത്രാഃ സ്ഥിരൈരംഗൈസ്തുഷ്ടുവാഗുംസസ്തനൂഭിः വ്യശേമ ദേവഹിതം യദായുः. സ്വസ്തി ന ഇന്ദ്രോ വൃദ്ധശ്രവാः സ്വസ്തി ന പൂഷാ വിശ്വവേദാः സ്വസ്തി നസ്താക്ഷ്യോ അരിഷ്ടനേമിः സ്വസ്തി നോ ബൃഹസ്പതിർദദാതു. ഓം ശാന്തി ശാന്തി ശാന്തി. ഹരി ഓം. സോ ദ്വിതീയഖണ്ഡ, മുണ്ടക ദ്വിതീയഖണ്ഡ. ആവിഹി സന്നിഹിതം ഗുഹാചരം നാമ മഹത്പദം യത്ര ഏതത് സമർപ്പിതം യേജത് പ്രാണൻ നിമിഷച്ച യദേതത് ജാനത സദസദ്വരേണ്യം പരം വിജ്ഞാനാത് വരിഷ്ഠം പ്രജാനാം. സോ ആവിഹി സന്നിഹിതം, ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് വെരി ക്ലിയർലി വിസിബിൾ ടു അസ്. ദിസ് ഗുഹാചരം നാമ മഹത്പദം യത്ര ഏതത് സമർപ്പിതം. ദിസ് മഹത്പരം, ദറ്റ് പരമാത്മാ ഈസ് വെരി മച്ച് അവൈലബിൾ ഇൻ ദി ഹൃദയ ഗുഹ. ഇറ്റ്സ് അവൈലബിൾ. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ആവിഹി സന്നിഹിതം. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് വെരി ക്ലിയർലി ക്ലോസ് ടു യു, much more than clear than the Hastamal, Karatalamalaka, Hastamalaka. So it is Avihi Sannihidam. It is Sannihidam, that Avihi, it is very clear, it is there. Yajati Pranati Nimishatcha Yadetat Janata. That is only functioning in the movement, in the prana, through the sense. Prana means sense organs here. Nimishatcha, winking, Yadetat Janata. That you realize. It is sadasat varenyam. It is varenyam. It is adorable. Vijnanate, param vijnanate. Whatever you know, it is beyond that. Varishtam, sreshtam. Then yesterday I was mentioning this. Yadetate, yatas, tasmadva, yatasmat, sayesha. These prayogas are all there. This prayoga I keep on telling you, but it is, there are other problems, there are other concepts, that is why you are not able to understand. Now, Bhagavan is there, and then Indra is there. Indra is Bhagavan's Srishti, Indra is Brahma's Srishti, only Indra. Then other devatas are there. Then Dviloka is there. Dviloka is Sreshta, and Bhuloka is not that Sreshta. Patala is Papi Shloka. So, there is a statement in this Shastra says, Purusha eva idam sarvam, idam sarvam Purusha eva. Everything is Purusha, they say. Then Naraka is bad, Swarga is good. How does it? Naraka is something, Papi's place. Swarga is Punyavan's place. Then how is you reconcile that? Purushe Vedam Sarvam. There is one sloka, that is why I told you, that Bhagavan is only this Indra. That Bhagavan is only Brahma. That Bhagavan is only the human beings. That Bhagavan is only you, everybody, every one of you. That Bhagavan is only the tiger, the lion, elephant, dog, pig, ant. Do you know any such mantra? The Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, it says, everybody sleeps here like the mosquito, the tiger, Maharaja, beggar, a leper, a beggar, and a Maharaja, a person who is sleeping in a comfortable air-conditioned room, a person who is sleeping on the ghat, a dog sleeping nearby, the mosquito sleeping nearby. They are sleeping means they are all in Paramatma only. There is no difference. When they are asleep, they all sleep alike. They all sleep alike. What is your experience of sleep is my experience. That is the experience of the dog. You do not know what is happening. The dog also will not know what is happening. The mosquito will also not know what is happening. Indra will also know what. Even Bhagavan sleeps, he will also know. So, but many times we find that it is, the difference is told. Because you know only the difference. Suppose if there is an animal that you have not seen, one animal is there, you imagine. That animal you have not seen. How will they describe? There are reindeer, something is there. Some reindeer, one animal is there. It is like a goat or deer. So it will look like our deer only. It will look like a goat. It will look like a cow, four-legged animal. But the color will be like this. It will be this, don't be this high, it will be this short. So from a known only, the unknown will be told. Okay? The unknown will be told. There is a fruit called durian in Malaysia. You know the jackfruit. Swamiji is very favorable fruit. Jackfruit, you know, that panasa. It will look like panasa, but not that big. But the smell is so powerful. If you keep it here, in my office, they are down, it will come. So they will not allow the panasa to be this durian to be carried in a vehicle, public vehicle. Flight, if you cannot bring that actually. They will say, get out from here, because it will give such a smell throughout. Even panasa will also give, but this is very pungent smell. And some people like it and eat it, keep on eating it. But when I put it into my mouth, it was so pungent I cannot eat, actually I have to spit it out. So it is a very pungent smell actually. Very pungent. But it looks like panasa, and when you take it out also, like panasa fruit will be like that it will be. So something nearby they say, like that they say. So all these examples are told like that only. So how this, now for example, Supreme Brahman, Aksharam, Aksharat Param, Aksharam, Hiranyagarbha, Virat, then Vyakritam, then Devatas, among the Devatas, this is Sadhya and other people, then humans. All these differences are like this only. You take your own body, this sarira, there is head, there is hand, there is pada, there is right hand and left hand. So what is this? This is right hand. This right hand is body only. Because you call this as right hand, it is part of the body, you call it, you make it separate and say it is right hand. If it is cut, what will you say? If it is cut and kept here, you don't call it body, you don't call it hand. You will not call it as hand. You will not know whether it is right hand or left hand. If a person's head is cut, and the head is kept there, then you will not be able to identify that. So, this body's parts are different names are there. Although different names are there, it is only Sharira. Okay? Only one Sharira. That Sharira only this. That Sharira only this hand. That is why Tasmadva Tasmadva. So what is the Supreme Parabrahman and Avyakrita? That is from the Parabrahman only Avyakrita has come. Means from this body only this head has come. If the body is not there, the head is not there. The head alone has no existence without the body. So all these things are part and parcel of this one body of Bhagavan. All these things are only functional names. Pada is not different from the body. Padala metasya hi padaboolam means padaboolam is padala. Janga is earth. Head is Satyaloka. Surya and Chandra are the netra means what? Surya and Chandra are the part of Bhagavan. It's a part of Bhagavan only. You call it is I. I is not different from you. Your eye is not different from you. Okay? The answer is. So, Hridayantar Bhaga Bhagavan is there means Hridayantar Bhaga is a space. A particular place, we call it by that name. That is part and parcel of that only. This space, this called lecture hall. Lecture hall, we are given the name. It is only space. It is part of this building. It is this building only. So there is no distinction. You, me and everybody are part of that. We are all sitting inside Bhagavan only. You are not sitting outside Bhagavan. To Upasana means what it is. I am part and parcel of you. That is the Upasana. Now you think you are different from him. You are different from him. You are not different from him. If this theory is not there, all the differences are there. Okay? What is there to study in the Shastra? A dog is a dog, a cat is a cat. We know that. Shastra need not tell cat is different from dog. Shastra should tell you. Brahmatma is different from Nischalaనంద. I know that. Shastra need not come and tell you, Brahmatma, you are different, he is different. Shastra has not come to say that. How you are one, that is what is discussed here. All these names are that. Purusha eva idam sarvam. Idam sarvam Purusha eva. That keep on I telling you, remember. Idam sarvam Bhagavan eva. Nanyate kinchana mishatu. There is nothing here. Atma va idam agra asit. Nanyat kinchana mishatu. There was nothing else was there. Nothing else will be there. Nothing else is there, was there and will be there. That is the realization, okay? And commentary is also that only next line understood. So Abhihi Sannihidam, it is very clear, very near to you. It is not very difficult to achieve it. That's why yesterday I told you Ramana Bhagavan's statement, Ayye Adisvalabham, which is very easy because it is you. So tat etate janata, tat etate janata. That this you understand. Then yadarchismat anupyo anuhu. Yasmin lokaha nihita lokinas. In this, all these, the loka and all the living beings in that loka, whatever living there, all these things are there as Otaprota in that. Everything is in that. Everything is in that. As every anga is in this body. These are all there only. As your limbs, hand, neck, eyes, legs, are all in that body like that. All these things are Otaprota in this. Tadetat aksharam brahma sapranat. Sapranaha. That is the Tadetat aksharam brahma. That aksharam brahma saeva pranaha. That is the all sense organs. Tadu vak, tadu manaha. Tadetat satyam. Satyam means this panchabhutas, I think. Tatu amrudam. Tatu veddavyam. Somya vidhi. That you have to understand. Satyasya kvartaha. Tadetat satyam. Second mantra. Vakchamanasya sarvani karanani tadetat chaitanyam. Chaitanyam. Tadetat chaitanyam. Chaitanyashrayohi. Pranendri sarvasankadaha pranasya pranam. Ishutyam darate. Avitatam. Ato. Satyam avitatam. That is the truth actually. Tatyadat satyam avitatam. Avitatam ataha amritam. That is immortal. Avinashi nasirahitam. Tat vedhavyam. That you have to understand by the mind. So what is the ultimate upadesha? You understand that everything is that only. Everything is that Paramatman only, that is to be understood. Not all these other things. What is Abhyakta, what is Akshara, what is Purushottama, what is Purusha, Uttama Purushaka, Purushottama. Ultimately everything that Purushottama only. So we are not here to understand what is Panchabhuta, what is Abhyakrita Panchabhuta, what is Vyakrita Panchabhuta. These are all told because you asked that question. Because you have got a doubt. Sometimes children will ask some foolish questions. So then foolish answers will be given. And in course of time, the child will understand. How to prepare an atom bomb? Some a small boy asks you, what will you say? An atom bomb is an atom together. It's a bomb. What will be? Bomb will be like that. It will be like a laddu. That's only they will say, oh, bomb will be like a laddu. And so many atoms are together. And when you break, it will blast. Okay. Then that fellow is happy. I normally give an example. The children will ask, mother, how I was born. Most children ask this question, how I was born. Everybody might have all asked mother, how I was born. And what mother will say, Bhagavan gave you, something like that she will say. That is the answer usually given. And then this fellow is happy. One fellow asks, oh, acha, Bhagavan came and gave to you, so you saw Bhagavan. No, I was sleeping. Something she will say. Then he will ask another question. If you are sleeping, how Bhagavan came? The door will be locked. So finally he will find the answer. Like that, you have to find the answer. Yet, Purusha eva, idam sarvam Purusha eva, idam sarvam Bhagavan eva. That is why, all these, you ask, that is why they tell all these things. Because otherwise they will not tell. Brahma Satyam Jagan Mithya. It is appearance only, the other is truth. In the Swapana you see so many things, that is not true. Like that, this is not the truth. Bhagavan is the truth here. Then you don't understand. This is that, this is Abhyakrita, this is Vyakrita, this is Karana, this is Kasa, this is Jagal Lakshana, this is Ajagat Lakshana. All these things are because you refuse to understand. When purity comes, all these questions automatically goes away. And then none of these questions are there. Shanti is there. So therefore, tat amritam tati vedhavyam, that you target, your target is that. Your target is that Paramatman which is everything here. That is your target, you strike in that. Like a target you are shooting. Like that, this, what is the target? Tadeva Aksharam, Brahma. That Akshara alone is moving here. It is the moving and the non-moving. Jagatas tastushascha. Jagataha tastushascha. That which is moving and moving not. That which moves and that moves not. All are Brahman. All are Bhagavan. Stavara and Jangama. All are Bhagavan. So you understand that. So how to do that? Then for that they say next mantra. Dhanurgrihitva aupanishadam mahastram sharam hi upasana nishitam sandhadita ayamya tatbhavagatena chetasa lakshim tadeva aksharam somya viddhi. Dhanhu grihitva aupanishadam mahastram dhanum grihitva. The Upanishad mantras are Upanishad Prasiddha Dhanu. Upanishad Prasiddha Dhanu is Omkara. Dhanu Grihitva Upanishadam. So take this Upanishad as the Upanishad is the bow. Sharam hi upasana nishitam. Upasana nishitam sharam. That the shara has to be sharpened actually. The arrow has to be sharpened. That arrow which has been sharpened by upasana. Put that shara, sharpened arrow on the dhanu. Ayam, then you pull it so that it will go and strike at the target. Ayam tatbhavagatena chetasa. So with mind, having got that bhava, this is the target. You should fix the mind on that lakshya. Lakshyam tadeva aksharam somya viddhi. So here, that akshara is the lakshya. Hey Saumya, that is viddhi. you break that. So this is what actually Dronacharya tells to the students. Here is the target. The bird is there on that branch. See, in that big tree is there is a branch in this right side, one branch is going in that branch. That bird is there. You shoot it. Yes. One by one. Do you see that? Yes, I see. What is it? See? In that branch I see, and then there is a leaf is there. Behind the leaf, that bird is there. One by one, they say. Then one fellow, Arjuna, there he comes. What do you see? I see the eye of the bird. Nothing else. Nothing else is in his mind. That target alone is there. So he will shoot the target. All the things are there. I see everything means target is not there. So everything is seeing. Focused on that. Totally focused on that. So like that, you focus on that, he says. Dhanurgrihitva aupanishadam mahatram charam hi upasana anishitam. So that is upasana. Upasana is bhakti, puja, all the karma. All are upasana only. The upasana's mind becomes pure. So sandhajite. Ayamya is pull it. And tadbhavagatena chetasa, with the mind bhavagat. Aksharam. So maybe they break that target, fix that, direct the target, direct the arrow towards that target. Then he says, Pranavo dhanuhu, sharohi atma, jivatma here. Okay? Pranavo dhanuhu, sharohi atma. Brahma tallachya muchyate. Pranava is the dhanu. Omkara is the dhanu. That is why we say Om, Om, Om. Om is the mantra for sadhus. It's a meditation mantra. It is upasana only. Pranavodhanu, sharohi atma. That shara, what is the shara? Atma, jivatma, mind. Then that you have to upasana nishitam, sharpen that with upasana. And then Brahma tal lakshya, the Brahman, Paramatma, Bhagavan is the lakshya. Apramattena vedavyam, without pramada, without slackness, without forgetfulness, with a total concentration, you break that. Sharavat tanmayo bhavet. Then shara will go and hit the target, means it will give and remain there. It will remain there. The target it will hit and then it will remain there. It won't, like that the jivatma will go and pierce that Brahman and remain there with one with Brahman. Sharavat tanmayo bhavet. Then only you will understand, oh, tadeva asti, there is nothing other than that. Once you realize that, then you find wherever you see that only. Wherever you see, that only you see. Wherever you see, you will see that only. Devotees of Krishna will see. Everywhere Krishna only. They won't see any other thing. Ramachandra's devotees will see only Bhagavan Ramachandra everywhere. Ramachandra and Krishnachandra are one only. You give different names. The Kabir used to say, Antare Rama, Bahari Rama. Wherever I see you only. Do you know this song? Antare Rama. Pranavodanuhu sharohyatma brahmadallakshya muchyate apramettena vettavyam sharavat tanmayo bhavayate. Then again he says the same mantra, you see. So yasmin dyauhu prithivi cha antariksham otam manaha saha pranascha sarvehi tamaivaikam janata atmanam anya vacho vimunchata amrutasya esha sedu. This is the Upadesha mantra. This is Upadesha mantra. Yasmin Bhagavati, Yasmin Purushe, Yasmin Brahmani. Okay. Yasmin Brahmani. Dyauhu. That Dyauhu means Swarga, Dviloka, Prithvi, the earth, Antariksham. All these things are there in where? In that supreme reality, where Dviloka is there, Prithvi is there, Antariksha is there, Bhuhu, Bhuvaha, Suvaha. Okay? Manaha, Saha Pranahi. Your mind, all the sense organs are where it is, that Purusha. Your mind, where is your mind? Your mind is in Bhagavan only. Although you are thinking something else, your mind is part and parcel of that Bhagavan only. He is only functioning through the mind. I want to meditate on Bhagavan, you say. Who wants to meditate? Bhagavan only wants to meditate. Bhagavan. Krishna Bhaktananda cannot meditate on Bhagavan. Bhagavan only meditates on Bhagavan. Okay? You are not different from Bhagavan. So to meditate upon that, you consider now, you are in a dream. Otherwise, how will you say that my Ananda Swarupa? Anandoham, how can you say like that? Dukkoham, dukkiham, you have to say. You say Anandoham means you are Ananda Swarupa, Satchidananda Swarupa. But somehow a wrong notion. Now this corona has come, people think some fever comes, whether I have got corona, some doubt comes in their mind. Okay? Some pain comes, sciatic pain, this pain, that pain, maybe this problem, that problem, all imagination comes. Same way, you think that you are different from Bhagavan, you are separate from Bhagavan, I am Jivatma, I am a papi, I am this fellow, that fellow, I belong to this place, I belong to that place, my father is this, all these are imagination. Your name is Atma, not Brahmatma, your name is Atma. Atma vai putra namasi. Atma only, Paramatma only. Your original name is Paramatma. So, yasmin bhagavati, yasmin brahmani, jauhu prithivi cha antariksham otam manaha saha prane, sarvehi. Everything is where it is all there. Everything is in that only. There is nothing other than that. Okay. Bhagavan sarvavyapi means what? Accepting you. Accepting you. Your mind is outside Bhagavan. It cannot be. So the mind is inside Bhagavan. You see all the statements, no statement you understand. Bhagavan sarvavyapi means what? Outside me. Bhagavan sarvavyapi means you are inside Bhagavan. Why not we think like that? I am Bhagavan's part and parcel of Bhagavan. Like a hand, I am also one portion of Bhagavan. Then you are Bhagavan only. My hand is me only. Okay? That is Vedanta. Otherwise, these mantras have no meaning. And that is the upasana. Tattvamasi is your mantra. Okay? And realization. Upadesha, what is Upadesha? Tattvamasi. You are that. You are part and parcel of Bhagavan. Why do you think I am an ordinary fellow? I am a papi. Why do you think that I have this problem, that problem? You have no problem. You are Ananda Swarupa, Shanta Swarupa. Every day we should think like that. Whatever be the condition, this world will be like this. But my Swarupa is Ananda. I am that. Okay? So, yasminne devhu prithivi cha antariksham odam manaha saha praneshcha sarvehi tam eva ekam janata. That alone you really understand. That ekam janata, that alone you understand. Atmanam tam ekam eva janata. You are that. That is you realize. Anya vacha vibunchata. All other words, all other blah blah blah, you stop. Okay? Right? Anya. Yesha amrutasya yesha setuhu. This is the path. This is the bridge to achieve that. उस पार जाने के लिए ये है सेतु. अमृतस्य एष सेतु. You see any commentary. You are that. Tam yevam eka janata. Atmanam tam yevam eka janata. You are that. You realize that only, in which all these Swarga, Patala, Bhumi, Bhuhu, Bhuha, Suha are all resting. From coming out, it has born out of that means it is resting in that. And Manaha, Saha Pranahi, all the mind, Prana, etc. Prana means Indriyas. All these things are there. That Atma, Paramatma, Tam Evam Eka Janata. You are that. I am part and parcel of that. I am that. I am inside Bhagavan. I have no wants. I have nothing to achieve here. Only this will make you happy. All other things are coupled with pain only. Nothing can give us the ultimate absolute bliss. Nothing will, I give you 100 crores of rupees, you can't be happy, 101 crore I want. You get all the land, all the wealth, all the women in the world, all the children, then also you will be unhappy. You can't be happy. So, Atman, Tamavivekam Janata, Atmanam. Anya Vacha, all other words, unwanted things. Vimuncha, they stop all these things. What is use of blah, 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 blah? Including Shastra Patana. Shastra Patana is also Bandhakarna only. What is this? What is that? All unwanted discussions. You are right, I am wrong, or you are wrong, I am right. Shastra Patana should help us to do this. Study of the scriptures is to realize this. Otherwise it is a bhara. Bharaparam pattagiri tajustam yat uttamangam. It is a vijnana bhara. Jnana bhara, ajnana bhara. Harsha, in spite of all these things, after Kandaragandragatyam he felt very bad. Afterwards he took to sannyas and realized. Sriharsha Charitra it comes actually. So Bhagavan's kripa is required actually. For this Bhagavan's kripa is required. Every day we have to pray that Bhagavan, Anya vacha vimunchata atmanam tam evam eka atmanam janata. Anya vacha vimunchata, Bhagavan, do that. Let me concentrate on you. Let my mind be fixed on you. Let me not get involved in unwanted things. As sadhus we have to do that only. What else otherwise? Otherwise it will be a waste, you see. We have come here, left our home. So then, Araiva Rathinabhu Samhata Yatra Natyaha Sayesho, you see, Sayeshaha Antascharade Bahuta Jayamanaha Omityevam Jayatha Atmanam Swastivah Parya Tamasapparastate. Araiva Rathinabhu, in the wheel of the Ratha, chariot wheel, all this Araha, what is hub, spoke. Hub means what? Hub is center, okay. And in that hub, all these spokes are connected like that. Different, all these nadis are connected to the Hridaya. Nadis means not the blood vessels. All in the Kathopanishad they say so many nadis are there. Sushumna and all these nadis. It is not a blood vessel, but you can take it as blood vessel, nerve something like that. As in the wheel of the chariot wheel, all the spokes are connected to the hub. Like that, all these things are connected in this heart center. So, and that there he is moving and he is only sending different things. The eye is able to see because of this fellow is moving here. And through this nadi he goes there. Bahuta jayamanaha. Antascharade bahuta jayamanaha. What is the meaning? Sayeshu antascharade bahuta jayamanaha. He moves in the nerve center and born different ways. The electricity moves in different places. Here it comes as heat, there it comes as light, here it comes as sound. Well, that one Paramatma only is here electricity Paramatma, here it is hot, here it will be cold, and there it will be sound. Like that Bhagavan only through these various sense organs, various prana indriyas, the karmendriyas and jnanendriyas, he is doing all these functions. Okay. Sayeshaha, what is the meaning you see? Sayeshaha. Yasha, sa means he. Yashaha means this fellow. He, that he. Sayesha, what is, where it is? Sa meaning you have to take separately. Buddhi pratyaya sakshibhutaha saha. Buddhi pratyaya sakshibhutaha saha. Buddhi pratyaya, one who is functioning through this buddhi, that saha, that Paramatma. Yesha Prakrita that this Atma here. Nadyaha tasmin hridaye buddhi pratyaya sakshibhutaha. Buddhi pratyaya sakshibhutaha. Chinta swarupa, this is this one who is knowing. Saha, that Yesha Atma, that Atma Paramatma. Yaha Raivaradhana bhav sambhataha. Yaha Yasya previous mantra. Yasminne Jauhu Prithvi cha antariksham votam manaha saka pranaicha sarvehi tamairekam janta sa atma pragadatma atra pragadatma. Okay. That Paramatma who is working in this heart center and understanding everything. Here somebody touches you, you understand that he is touching me. This is hot, this is cold. Some hot water bottle is kept here, hey, it is hot. Cold water kept it cold. So one who understands it hot and cold, distinguishes between hot and cold through the nadis. Who is that? He is that Paramatma only understanding this. Okay? You are seeing me and you are able to recognize me, oh, I am so and so. That buddhi pratyaya, how, from where it comes? That comes from that Antaratma. Antaratma, who is that Antaratma? Sayesha Antaratma. That Paramatma only staying here and making you understand. If he is not here, will you understand anything? If that Paramatma is not here, you will not understand. You call it as Jivatma. You call it as Jivatma because you want to make it, I am independent of you. Okay. When one tree is there, one tree, this is trunk, this is branch, this is leafy, this is dry leaf, this is green leaf, this is purple leaf. All these things are tree only. A tree has got a root, trunk is there, branch is there, smaller branches are there, twigs are there. Are they different? They are different for some purpose, but they are one for another purpose. It is only a tree. Tree includes all these things. Okay? Tree includes all these things. Likewise, that Paramatma includes everything here. That is only one thing. You call it by different names according to different functions, different positions. Okay? If this is not understood, Vedanta is not understood. So, Antarshkrita Jayamanaha, Bhuta Jayamanaha Sayeva. That Paramatma only is a sense of touch, sense of smelling, sense of hearing, walking, speaking, all these activities are he only is doing. So functional separations make. When he is functioning as through this mouth, you call it as Vagindriya. When he is functioning here, we call him as Shravanendriya. When he is decision taking, he call it as Buddhi. When he is thinking, we call it as Mana. When he is walking, we call him as leg. So, Omityevam dhyayatha atmanam swastivah parya tamasah parastad. Omityeva dhyayatha. That Atma who is functioning here, who is functioning through your various sense organs, who is that Paramatma? Omityevam dhyayatha. You meditate upon him as Om. Atmanam dhyayatha. So you meditate upon Om. Swastivah parya tamasah parastad. Let everything be auspicious to you. Let Bhagavan bless you so that your meditation becomes successful. Because Pranavo dhanushyarohyatma brahmata lakshya uchyade, he said. So then apramettena yasmin, then tamaivekam janata atmanam anyavacha vimunchada. You meditate upon that, you strike the target, he said. For that omityevam jayata. You meditate on that Omkara. Swastivah paryaha. Let Bhagavan protect you. Let everything go well. God bless you. That swasti means swastivachaka. Tamasah parastad. Let him take you beyond it. Swasti. Let him take you beyond this tamas. Then other things we will see tomorrow. Okay? Bhadram karne bhishrunayama devaha. Bhadram pashyemakshabirjajatra. Stire rangai stushuvagum satkanubhi vyashema devahitam jadayuhu. Swasti na indro vruddhashravaha. Swasti na pusha vishwavedaha. Swasti na starshyo arishtanemihi. Swasti no brihaspadir dadatu. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om.